All right. We are live. Hey, what's happening? Hey, welcome to my channel. If you are new to the channel, what's going on? I'm Jeff, and a little bit about me really quickly. We're going to be day trading the S&P 500 futures today. All right, that's what we do every day. I've been trading for 18 years now. My specialty is primarily option trading, right? TTM squeeze, flags, calendars, spreads, breakouts, stuff like that. But I have been day trading the S&P 500 for the last 5 years, pretty much every day, all right? But this year I got introduced to prop firm trading, so I'm trying that out. Apex. Today I'll be trading $50,000 Apex. So if you want to join us in the school, or again, get started in Apex, check down below. Welcome aboard. As they would say, welcome to the Octagon. Let everybody inside the room. And it is time to pretty much get to work. Thanks for popping in, my friends. Oh, my friend. All right. News announcements. What's up, Mitch? What is happening? Man, oh man. What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
My man, what's happening, guys?
Did you make that 1600 yesterday trading evals, or did you trade some sims too?
You know what? It was a combination of both, but I am I'm good to go now. I'm in the afternoon, I've been working on my approach. So once I hit a certain amount in my eval, I've been backing off and trading sim, trying to get disciplined. But oh yeah, it was sim, but some of it. But I got it now. I mean, again, I'm not gonna lie, I got it now. I got
Good.
it. Yeah. So it's just a matter of getting consistent every single day with the same process. But at least my confidence level's there. I've won like 4 days in a row. And not only have I won, I've been consistently winning around $1,000 every day. And the market hasn't even done nothing. So if the market actually moves, it can be well. So again, it's taking a little bit longer than I wanted it to, right? Because we did this and with the volatility, but I can honestly say I feel really good where I'm at right now. And now I just need to practice the skills of consistency, right? You know how it is.
Absolutely. And
but I got it. I'm not gonna lie, I got it.
On the 50,000s, we can only make $900 a day max.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. And I've only been shooting for like 400. Once I get 400 on, again, right or wrong, I might change it next month, but once I got 400, I backed off on the eval. Not only that, just because I really wanted to. The thing is, I don't want to overtrade my eval, but with the sim, I was, kind of testing out stuff. So that way, if it was like, it was one of the, like, I think Mitch said it yesterday about getting your fix. It would help me get my fix so I didn't overtrade. But I will say that I'm pretty confident now. I just got to make sure I stay consistent. And then I don't think it's ever going to look back after that. But so I appreciate you, brother. Thanks for being here. We have unemployment claims. It's set. Well, already happened, right? 7:30.
Right.
And we're good to go. So let's, I think we got 30 seconds.
Okay, I'm going to mute myself. We'll talk to you later.
You got it, my brother. You got it, my brother. And y'all, like I said, once I start really like rocking and passing this, I always share stuff. If y'all want to know, I share what I do. I don't ever hide nothing. I'm just doing my thing, but I don't hide nothing from y'all if y'all want to know, right? All right. Here we go. Ding, 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 ding. let me stretch here. So again, one thing I do know is up here on the left, I make sure I'm unextended. And then over here, I make sure I am not extended. And the only reason I'm doing this is it seems that my Sierra charts, if I don't do that, toss lags by about 4 to 5 seconds. And that was really a problem for me. It was really a problem. So that's how I hope. It's been pretty good. So that's why I'm hoping that situation is solved. I am going to wait, about 3 minutes or so. Just kind of let this first candle. Well, that's the 1 minute, but let a couple candles shake out. And it's time to rock and roll. Really, really, really close, man. And again, what's up, Brandon? The thing about it is we've been trading this for a long time, but things change, right? With this type of volatility, the way that we were doing it before, it wasn't good enough. Now, I didn't trade in the afternoon, so I didn't have any experience in the afternoon, so that's completely brand new. But in the morning, with the volatility, a 2-point stop loss ain't working. I don't have a 2-point stop loss. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. There's times where I do only lose 2 points because I'm really focusing on my plan. And my plan is heavily geared towards management. But other than that, I'm ready to rock. Continue to stay consistent the rest of this month. And for the first time, I can tell you that I truly believe May is going to be absolutely incredible. Because I at least feel confident. Now I've just got to discipline myself to stay consistent. That's all. All right, so we are bearish week over here starting off, which is weird. That's weird. How the fuck are we bearish week? I guess it's coming from this. What? That's weird because the market's up. So I'm surprised it says bearish week. I can only go by what it's. I think it's coming from the pre-market because you can see we are rising. So whatever. I'm going by what it says. You know what I'm saying? Bearish week. Let's mark some key levels. All right, we're popping through a key level here at the bottom. Ticks are positive, though, so be careful on that. Could be a false move. But I don't think we have any more news announcements. I don't remember. Let me see. No. No, we don't. All right. Our ticks are flopping in here again. They're positive. This is bearish. This is interesting. So, to be honest with you, I'm going to be looking to go short, to be honest with you. Again, my whole primary focus is to stay consistent in the rules that I have now created. But look, see that fake out? Potential fake out. There it is. It's because these ticks, right? You can see these ticks picking up. All right. Let's see what happens here. We are bullish strong on the 1 minute, but we're bearish weak on this 15. And again, that's odd. It's got to be taking that pre-market data, but it is what it is. And again, I'm not going to lie. I've won 4 days in a row, and not only have I won, I've been winning around $1,000 every day. The other day, I won almost $2,000. But I got to prove to myself that I can just continue to stay disciplined, which, once I have a system that works, I'm pretty good at staying disciplined. All right. Market's kind of flat. Again, you can see I call this a pin bar trap, right? You got a bullish pin bar and then immediately a bearish pin bar, the little pin bar trap. Buyers and sellers are fighting right there. So I got me 4 setups, right? I got, my bias right now is down based on the way I'm doing it. And I got 4 setups. 4 bad boys. All right. Hang on. Do like here, we went that lower zone. Let me kind of move my chat. I got all sorts of windows pulled up. You have a buy order of 52.54. Okay. We have a bearish divergence, and I went long. So I went long, but I'm only going to shoot for a little couple points here based on my signal. I'm going to pretty much get out of break even. I don't like it. Again, I'm going to do some counter trends, also some with the trend. We had that bearish divergence. We are bearish week, so I do like that divergence. Right? Let's see if that divergence can confirm. Right, so you see we got that nice bearish divergence right there, but it's got to confirm. Boom, you see it went up? Didn't confirm. That's off the table. Mitch has a buy order at 52.54. I will do some counter my bias, but I'm only going to risk half. That's what I've been doing. If it's with my bias, I'll do in full position. 2 minute. Oh, gotcha. If it's with my bias, I'm doing full position. If it's counter my bias, I do half. That's what I've been doing. So we are getting a bullish intermediate confirmation against my bias. So let's see if it confirms. I have no problem taking a shot. If it confirms, right? Well, it depends on how we do it right there. This candle's got about 9 seconds. What's going to happen is it's going to maybe push it up when it closes. Yep, look, bam. Now we got a divergence. So let's see if this counter trend. Now I say counter because my bias is down. So I don't know how, but it is down. So I'm going to be watching this counter trend bullish divergence. There we go. Let's see if it can happen again. We are rising over here. So let's see if this bad boy can confirm off of this divergence, and I'll look to take it long. It's counter my bias, so I want to be careful. It's got to confirm, though. Okay. All right. It did confirm. So I would be long, right? Counter. So risking half. All right. Shooting up there at 29.25. So right in this area. Nice little trade. Bam. All right. I like it. Nice little counter pop. And again, I say counter, but the market's up. It's just over here I'm bearish. So what do you do, right? What do you fucking do? We're going to have our 15 minutes set up here in a second. So I am going to draw that line. It was a nice little pop up. Still working, but all right, raising the stop loss. All right, raising my stop loss. Bam. I'm out. Nice little shot. It was an easy little trade. 200, about 200 bucks. All right, reset. Little 200 win. Nice little pop. What's up, Jay? Jay. That's a little $200 pop right there. But now I'm going to wait. I'm telling you, man, all I got to do is discipline myself to stay consistent. That's it. If I follow the plan that I've created, all right, so we did close in this upper zone. Let's see if we can confirm, right? I am looking to go short now. Okay. That's what I'm liking. Ooh, this candle's playing tricks. That candle was playing tricks on us, right? All right, but there we go. There we go back down. Okay, target 53.10, dude. Come on, bitch. All right, it's not pushing hard. All right. So again, we had that. I love whenever it goes in that upper zone, right? That's kind of that extreme area. It's not an intermediate confirmation, but it is rocking, right? Look at it. Bam. Going down. My target is 1150. Here we go. There she is. Looky, looky. Bam! Come on, bitch. You're close. All right, here. Right, go down, go down. Right, you know what? That's good enough for me. Boom. All right, 160. So I'm up $360 so far. 360 on two little pops. What a good move. All right, so now I'm gonna reset. Right? All right, what's next? All right, attaboy, Brandon. Just two little pops. We had that divergence, and we had that extreme. So now guess what? I'm waiting again. Let's see if we get an extreme trade to the upside here. I don't think so, because what happens is if this candle pushes, it's going to push this up. See, this is going to drag that out of there, I think. Well, that was an extreme right there. So let's see if we can get an extreme. Yeah, we're below. Might work its way back up here. It's got to confirm me, though. All right. Ticks are positive. Picking up. So, again, I'm going to be looking to take this maybe extreme trade, counter trend. So, half a position for me. That's the way I'm doing it. Full position, half position. I will take counter trend only on a couple signals. Right? Orange squeeze. Orange squeeze. Attaboy. I'm long. Attaboy. Attaboy. That's what I like to see. I'm back long, back long, back long. Mike Lowry, right? Mike Lowry. All right. So I am long, crushing this one. My target is 29.75, so it's like right in this area, which is good, right? Come on, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. I'm gonna jump out. Bam! That's 3 for 3. I'm up $490. That's 3 for 3, baby. Pop, 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 pop. Gotta take a break now. I'm tired. All right. Let me just kind of reset mentally. What an easy stuff so far. So I caught that move, and that move. Well, by God. All right, let's reset the mind. Let's get to work. Okay, so now where are we still at over here? Man, I don't know how. I'm still fucking bearish. So I'll be looking to take an extreme trade to the downside. We'll see if it confirms. Actually, no. I'm not going to take an extreme trade to the downside. No, I will not. See? Go back up. I'm glad I didn't take it. I knew it, man. I knew it. Let's do it, Dion. Let's do it. One thing I am going to say, I'm going to be honest with you. Like, I got it now. I got it. It took me a while, but I got it. And again, it ain't about winning and losing, right? On any one trade. It's just the probabilities. Stay consistent in your signal. Execute it the same way. When the market gives you money, you take it. And that's it. That's it. Will you lose? Absolutely. But the key is when you lose, how small are your losses, man? I lost a lot yesterday, but I ended up winning a lot because my wins, when they happened, were 5? Sometimes they were 7-1. It's about being consistent, right? All right, so I'm going to be looking up here to see if we form that bearish divergence. I'm going to be looking to see if we form that bearish divergence here in a minute. We might. Oh, look, there it is. There it is. Now, it's got to confirm. Which it don't look like it. Look, what's going to happen is, and I'm starting to understand this. I wasn't utilizing this on the 1 minute before. But if this candle goes up, that's going to disappear. That's why you got to let it confirm. It's only going to confirm if this reverses. And that kind of sucks because that makes it really tricky. But watch. If this candle closes up here, this will disappear. You watch. If, right? If it closes down, it'll confirm. So now it's selling off, so it might confirm. We'll see how it does. Depends. If this line goes down, okay. So now we got a pin bar. So now I'm going to wait for my signal. Got to have it confirm first, and then I look for my entry signal. I haven't given it a name yet, but I'm thinking of a cool name. It's a new entry signal. Y'all don't know it. All right. So let's see what happens. All right. I am looking to go short off of this divergence if I can get it confirmed. Remember, it's not about winning and losing. It's just about being consistent in your process, man. Once you have a set of rules, just be consistent. Again, I'm still doing it, man. I'm by no means a fucking expert at this shit. Look, I'm building it just like you. You know, we've got destroyed for a while. But I can honestly say I feel good this time. Market's up 30. Again, on my 15-minute, because it takes pre-market data, it has me as bearish. I mean, I got to just be consistent. I'm still waiting for this to confirm right here. All right, so here we go. This bitch go down. Hey, pinche rata. Spanish. For those of you listening that are Spanish. There it goes. Working its way down. Ticks are still positive, but they're dropping. Oh, look at it. There's buyers right there. Okay, well, this is why we wait. All right, I have so much shit getting in the way, dude. All right. Okay. Again, you got this bearish divergence. I want to go short. Working our way down. Coming off of that beauty with my momentum. So I'm full position on this. All right. Break even. I'm at break even. 33.75 is my break even. About to have the 30-minute range too. I didn't even think about that. You know what? I'm going to just go ahead and jump out right there at about 20. Okay, let me get out. It got out at 29. So it was a little win. That wasn't much. That was only like $70. I'm out. That's $70. That's fine. All right. Let me get ready for this 30-minute range here. So it's 4 for 4. You know what's crazy is I'm actually at the point now where I feel like I can copy trade. I can't believe how long it took to get here. But I feel finally like, all right, I can get back to copy trading and shit now. I just got to do it maybe another week, man, just to discipline myself. I would take this trade, but I'm going to wait for this 30-minute range to set up. Even though I probably shouldn't. I probably should just go ahead and fucking take it. Counter trend. I say counter trend, which is weird. That's because the market's up so fucking much. But all right, there's the 30-minute range. It's flopping around. Give it a couple minutes to shake out. It's flopping around. It's going to be probably... Do we have any announcements? I didn't even pay attention. No. Again, I'm still biased down. I don't know how, but... All right, so now I'm actually in no bias situation. So what I'm going to do right now in this no bias situation, this is where I'm going to shift my thinking really quick. We're in a no bias. For me, I'm in a no bias situation. All right. And I'm rising over here on my momentum. You can see here, we are cruising up. So, hey, if you are watching on YouTube, hey, thanks for popping in. Really great morning. We're going to continue to trade. We're going to jump in our option trading later, talk stocks, talk crypto, all that good stuff. If you want to join the school, check down below in the description. If you do not, that's cool. Join me again, I think tomorrow. All right. Peace.